Okay, quick lesson on how to graph in Google Sheets. I've imported from the Pasco software a run. This one happens to be the battery-powered car. To show you how to graph, I'm going to go through the time versus velocity. So first step is I'm going to highlight the time. Scroll down. Oops. Time goes to 245 because that's as far as my velocity information went. Now I'm going to go back up. I'm going to grab the velocity. I have to hit Control to highlight both of them. Scroll down until I get to the bottom. Perfect. I've got my data. Now that I've highlighted the two columns I want, I'm going to click on this guy to insert a chart, and it opens the chart wizard. I'm not sure why Google always does this though, but it doesn't realize that the first data set was actually what we wanted on the x-axis. So the first thing I'm going to do is click this button down here, use column B as labels. That's now my VT graph. It also grabbed the headings and put them as a title. I'm not a big fan of that. So let's go into Customize. And under Titles and Axes, I'm going to tell it that the title is, we'll give it a better name. The title is Velocity versus Time. Then I'm going to remind myself it's the battery-powered car. While I'm in this menu, I can change it and add to it and tell it that the horizontal axis was time in seconds. The vertical axis was velocity in meters per second. And since I only have, we're done with that. Since I only have the one data set, I would get rid of the legend. So legend, none. There we go. We've got a nice VT graph. You could copy and paste that into a Google Doc, or you could print it so it's easier to find your slopes off of that.